Hi everyone, I'm Bettina Flug, and today I want to share some powerful insights from a recent lecture attended called Boosting Global Growth for Shared Prosperity, featuring Jim Yong Kim, the 12th president of the World Bank Group. If you haven't heard about him, Jim Yong Kim is the global visionary committed to improving the lives of people in developing countries and advancing global health. As a president of the World Bank, he transformed the institution's work, aiming to end extreme poverty by 2030. He spoke at TEDx and the World Economic Forum and has inspired change around the world. So let's dive into some key takeaways from this talk and how they relate to what I do as a coach. One of the most striking points Kim made was about the impact of artificial intelligence. He cited a prediction from the EMF's managing director, Christina Gervina, that AI will and could affect, even eliminate 60% of the jobs in advanced economies. That's massive. But rather than seeing this as a purely negative, Kim emphasized that we need to embrace AI and use it to reinvent our roles. As a coach, I completely agree. We need to adapt, to learn new skills, and take charge of our new career paths. This is where coaching comes in, help to find ways to leverage AI instead of being left behind by it. Another critical point Kim raised is about the Generation Z. He talked about how this generation often learn to interact online rather than face to face. This has led to rise in mental health issues, which is specifically alarming. So social media and smartphones have made it hard for people to build genuine human connection. As a coach, I see this all the time, and it's one of the reasons why emotional well-being and genuine real-world communication skills are so important now more than ever. Coaching can play a vital role in this space. Kim also highlighted the importance of strong leadership and training people for the future. He shared a story about how the Sheikh Mohammed here in Dubai translated the Chem Academy into Arabic in just 6 months, showcasing the power of decisive action. For us, this means that leaders and even each of us in our personal life must be proactive and future focused. Great leadership isn't just about vision, it's about execution. In the end, Kim's message was clear. We have to prepare for these rapid changes from AI to mental well being of our younger generation. As a coach, I'm passionate about helping people and organizations to make this transition smoothly. We need to focus on personal growth, adaptability, and creating meaningful connection in this global age. If you're interested in navigating this challenge and want to support, feel free to reach out to me. Let's work together and shape the future we will not only survive but also thrive.